Hi everyone, welcome to the Bella. This move-in ready home has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a 3-car garage that feature these gorgeous farmhouse garage doors. Plus you have an 18-foot driveway. Let's go take a look inside. As we make our way inside, you'll pass by a bedroom, a full bathroom, a spacious dining area, and you'll notice these gorgeous wood plank tile floors that you'll find throughout the common areas of the home. And at the end of the hallway, you also have a spacious closet for extra storage. This open concept living space combines a spacious great room with a nook that has a 12-foot sliding glass door and this gourmet kitchen that features an oversized kitchen island. This kitchen has KitchenAid stainless steel appliances, including this microwave, an oven with 3 racks, a dishwasher, and you also have this Blanco granite composite sink that sits in an upgraded quartz countertop. And don't forget, this kitchen island also has a built-in wine rack. We also have upgraded white cabinets that complement these soft closed drawers. And we have a KitchenAid 5-burner gas cooktop and this beautiful subway tile backsplash. And don't miss out on this butler's pantry that's the perfect connection from the kitchen through to the dining area that also has this spacious walk-in pantry. Right across the kitchen island, you have even more counter space and these gorgeous glass cabinets. And look above, check out these vaulted ceilings that allow this room to feel that much bigger. Let's go into the master. This spacious master bedroom features private access to the back patio, and you're just steps away from this incredible master bathroom. This oasis features a large step-in shower that has dual shower heads plus a seat, and you have 2 undermount sinks that are designed to easily be cleaned. You also have a large tiled-in tub and the perfect vanity for getting ready in the mornings. This Bella even has one of Granville's signature features. So you've got this incredible walk-in closet with tons of built-in shelving, and you're connected right to the laundry room that has additional cabinet space, a cast iron utility sink, and a large linen closet. And just off the hallway, you have 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. This Bella has an incredible covered patio and features a backyard that's about 40 feet deep, perfect for hosting all of your summer gatherings. This Bella move-in ready home sits on a pool-sized lot and has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. Plus, it includes tons of amazing upgrades, including a fully landscaped backyard and window coverings. Contact our Copper River Ranch sales office for more information. We also have upgraded white quartz. Did I really just call this a quartz countertop? Okay.